And they're off in section 2 of the men's 800-meter run. We're in hip 1, Russell Brandt running for Butte. Hip 2, Alex McGurk running for Chico State. Hip 3, John Hudson, Humboldt State. Hip 4, Will Acuvera, Humboldt State. Hip 5, Spencer Hayward, Sacramento City College. Hip 6, Connor Donnelly, Southern Oregon. Hip 7, Rogan Mesa, Chico State. Hip 8, Johnny Sanchez, Chico State. Hip 9, Andrew Overton running unattached. And hip 10, Christian Montenegro, unattached. And that looks to be Russell Brandt running for Butte in the lead here. Followed closely behind is John Hudson from Humboldt and Spencer Hayward of Sacramento City College, but Alex McGurk making a move. Around 56 for that first lap for Brandt. So it's Brandt, McGurk, Hayward, 300 meters to go. McGurk taking over the lead. So it's McGurk, Brandt, Hayward. 250 to go. Russell Brandt isn't ready to give that lead away. He's chasing after Alex McGurk, but with 200 to go, McGurk keeps the lead. So it's Alex McGurk, Russell Brandt, Spencer Hayward coming around the turn for the last time. Alex McGurk with a 5-meter gap on Russell Brandt. Last 100 meters to go. Alex McGurk, Russell Brandt chasing after Alex McGurk. Spencer Hayward coming after Russell Brandt. But it looks like Alex McGurk is going to hold on for the win in this men's 800-meter run, section 2, and unofficially Alex McGurk 157.1. But I'll get you the official results once they pop up on my screen here.
Hey Jim, you know the old sugar daddy. They be tricking, they tell them girls. I said you can have whatever you like. I said you can have whatever you like. Yeah, I said so weird in control, no ice. And we can pop bottles all night, baby. You can have whatever you like. I said you can have whatever you like. Yeah, late night sex, so wet, so tight. I guess so legit for you tonight, baby. You can go wherever you like. I said you can go wherever you like. Yeah. Anytime you want to, pick up the telephone. You know it ain't nothing to drop a couple.